In this video, we're going to go over connecting an alias via a Google account you've already connected. You might want to send from another email address that you already own, but you want to do it through the mail account you've already connected. To do that, you're actually going to first head to the mail account where you are going to connect an alias. If you haven't already set that up, you're going to need to do this first. You'll need to click on Settings and then go to Accounts and Import. Once you're here, click Add Another Email Address, and you're going to type in the email address that you're going to want it to send from. Because this is an Outlook email, it's already going to know what SMTP servers I need, the server information and the port information. If you're using another mail provider, you may need to go back to your mail provider to get that information. Mailshake won't automatically have that information for you, so it's best to check with your mail provider on that. Next, I'll enter my password, then click Add Account. Now you're going to actually receive an email at the email address that you've just connected as an alias. You can either click the link in the confirmation or enter the verification code. What I'm actually going to do is just head directly to that mail account. So I'll close this window. I've already got that pulled up, but you may need to open a new tab or a new window and sign into your other mail account, the one that you're just connecting as an alias. So as we see here, I've got a confirmation email. In the email, there's a link or a confirmation code. I'm just going to go ahead and click on the link so that we can confirm it. It's going to ask me to confirm by clicking confirm here. And now I can send from my Gmail account as TrevorMS7 at Outlook.com. So once that's set up here, I'll actually go back to my mail accounts in Mailshake. So I'll head to the mail account that I've connected an alias to. In this case, it's TrevorMailshake at gmail.com. I don't have any aliases yet, so I'll click Add Alias, and then I'm going to enter a send from name. Google gives you the option to enter a send from name, so I'm going to put in Trevor Mailshake. And then I'll type in the alias email address. Now this has to match exactly with the one that you have connected. You can't just put in your own, like a different email address that you want to be able to send from. You actually have to have that one connected as an alias. So next you'll click verify. And if you run into any errors, likely it's because the alias wasn't set up properly. So you may need to go back, delete that alias in your Gmail settings, and then connect it again and make sure you go through the full flow and have completed that confirmation step. I can update my signature if I'd like. Done. And now my alias is connected. If I come back here, click on this mail account and click on aliases, you'll see that I have that connected here.